Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Tuesday, May 19th, 2020 or 2020. And I have something exciting to tell you. It says Happy Student Appreciation Week. Mrs. G decided that you deserved some recognition because you're such good boys and girls, and we know this hasn't been easy for you. So we wanted to celebrate you this week. So today when I meet with your parents and we do our book swap, Mrs. G has a little surprise she's going to send home with you, which is very exciting. And then I have a surprise I'm going to share with you when I'm all done here. So, happy Student Appreciation Week. Now, I am going to go over some new things with you. We went over shapes yesterday, and I told you that today we would be doing three-dimensional shapes. So I'm just going to show you this circle is a sphere, this is a cone, this is a cube, and this is a cylinder. So I'm going to show them to you. First, here is the sphere. As you can see, a sphere, that's a funny word, I know, sphere, is a ball. Okay, it's round. It isn't flat like a circle. Okay, if I traced it, it would make a circle. But a three-dimensional object is something that you can hold and move. So this, boys and girls, is a sphere. The next one is a cone. Okay, it has this little point on the end and it has a flat surface. Okay, if I were to trace that flat surface, it would also make a circle. But this is a cone. It's a three-dimensional. I can hold it. Okay, so there is a cone. The next shape is a cube. Okay, a cube has 6 sides. Okay, flat sides, shaped like a box, right? So there is a cube. The next shape is a cylinder, and a cylinder makes a sound, so it sounds like it begins with an S, but it's a soft C. Cylinder. A cylinder has round sides and then 2 flat ends, right? And I can hold it, and that's a cylinder. So we've got a sphere, a cone, a cube, and a cylinder. And in your work that I sent, you have some math sheets, and in your math sheets, you have your vocabulary cards. So it shows you a cone, a cube, a cylinder. It shows you that some of these objects can roll, some of them can slide. There's your sphere, and some of them can stack on top of each other. So for today, I just wanted to go over what the shapes were. So we've got a sphere, a cone, a cube, and a cylinder. Now, I kind of went around the house and I found some shapes that would match. So I'm going to start with the sphere. Okay? So here is a little cutie, right? A little cutie is round and can roll. So that's a sphere. The other thing that I found is this little round bouncy ball. Okay, so it's a sphere. If we were in school, I would show you the globe because that is also a sphere. It's round. Very cool. Okay. The next shape I'm going to show you is a cone. And that one was really hard. I didn't really have too many things around the house that were cone shaped. This, boys and girls, is a funnel. Closest thing I could find to a cone. Has a small pointy end down here, and then it has a flat side at the top. And this we use when we're doing some sort of baking or cooking and we have to pour something in. So that's the closest I found to a cone, but I did draw a picture of 2 other things that are cones. One is a birthday hat. So if you go to a birthday party and you put on one of those hats and you put the little string around your neck, a birthday hat is a cone. And then, of course, there's an ice cream cone. Now, this is a sugar cone. It's not a regular round cone. This is a sugar cone, which is nice and yummy, too. So try one next time you get an ice cream. So there are 2 other cones for you to see. The next shape is a cube, and a cube was actually kind of easy. Box of tissues, right? Box of tissues is a cube. And I found a jewelry box. Jewelry came in here. I got a present in here. Okay. And that's a cube. And then I found one more thing when I was downstairs. Rubik's Cubes. I have some of those at school, you know, in our classroom. I don't have any at home, but I ordered this because I'm going to a special party. This is a Rubik's Cube purse. Isn't that cool? It's very colorful, and it is a cube. Okay, so there are my cubes. Look at, they're in size order, small, medium, and large. Cool. My last shape is a cylinder, and that one's actually pretty easy too. So a soup can is a cylinder, smooth and round here, and then 2 flat sides. French onion soup, yum. So that is a cylinder. A roll of toilet paper, boys and girls, is a cylinder. Okay, roll it. It's got 1 and 2 flat sides. So that's pretty cool. And the inside of that tube is a cylinder as well. So very neat. There are my cylinders. So we have sphere, cone, cube, and cylinder. So you're going to find those on your math papers this week. And maybe you can go around the house and see if you can find different things. If you find something that's a cone, take a picture of it and have mom or dad send it to me so that I can see, because I had a really hard time finding a cone around here. That one's pretty cool. You're going to find a lot of cylinders though, and probably a lot of cubes. Maybe you have some balls around, so you'll have some spheres. I didn't have too many spheres, but maybe you can find a whole bunch. See if you can find 2 or 3 of each, like I did. And if you want to take a picture of those and send it to me, I would love to see that too. Now, before I go, yesterday I showed you my plants, my sunflowers. And today, boys and girls, you're going to get your stuff to make your own sunflowers. So I'm excited about that. So when I looked at my plant this morning, look at that. Yesterday they were kind of bent over and still in the dirt. And today they sprouted. This one lost its seed coat. But as you can see, there are seed coats still on this one, the outside of the seed. And it'll pop off when that little sprout opens up. So I was very excited. So that happened. So I went and got my sheet. I wrote today's date because now I have a seedling. It's sprouting up nicely. And then I drew a picture. I have 3 of them. Now I planted 4 seeds, so maybe 1 will still pop up. Maybe it won't. Sometimes they don't always sprout, but 3 out of 4 is pretty good, I think. So I'm going to keep an eye on it. I'm going to put it back in the window, and I'm going to see how tall it can get. Okay? I'll probably have to put it somewhere outside before it gets too big, though. Okay? Because sometimes when they get too tall, then they need a bigger place to grow. So that is my sunflower. I just wanted to show you that. And I wanted to say one more time, Happy Student Appreciation Day. And I hope that you enjoy your surprise from Mrs. G when Mom and Dad pick it up for me today. And I hope you have a great day. Oh, and the big surprise that I was waiting to tell you, tomorrow, Wednesday, Hump Day, because it's Student Appreciation Week, I'm giving you the day off. No schoolwork tomorrow. How about that? Isn't that exciting? No schoolwork tomorrow in honor of you. So I hope you get to use tomorrow to go outside and play and to have a good time and not think about any schoolwork. Okay? Well, boys and girls, I miss you and I can't wait to see you again. And I hope you have a great day and enjoy your day off tomorrow. Bye.